national director from the Philippines. You want to be host? Congratulations to the Philippines.
Okay, everybody look at camera. Okay, Tanzania. Okay, everybody, stop. Okay, thank you. Okay, all the staff of the team Philippines. Okay, come on.
Staff of Philippines.
The official team,
This all staff of the Philippine
เดี๋ยว
organization.
ช่วยดูด้วยนะครับเดี๋ยวพี่ๆ security ช่วยดูด้วยนะครับ
Okay. I will. Let's go to see.
Okay, sorry, for the official team. Okay, all the Filipino fans just
Go to see all around the girls. Okay. Because it have many fans in front of stage.
Okay, need you. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. I can't see Emma.
I feel so good and I'm so happy for Philippines, also for Thailand. Love you girls.
Thank you. So right now, all the girls take a photo.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. And one more shot.
Oh,
3, 2,
well,
1.
now I'm relieved because has come to an
Thank
end.
you. And
But definitely just a bittersweet because we always fight for a top. But anyways, there's so many fantastic girls and I definitely confident that I did my very best. And so I'm happy for my country that they have helped me so much. Costa Rica, los amo. Gracias por el apoyo. And now I'm going to rest, finally.
Because it's really long time, right?
Yeah, it has been like since August that I won on my local pageant. I haven't been able to rest properly, so now it's time to decompress and enjoy life and enjoy Thailand.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Hello, hello.
Next fan. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Nana.
Escándalo!
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
I feel so grateful, so amazing. I have no words. Venezuela, lo logramos. Top 5 en el Miss Grand International. I'm so happy. Seriously, I don't have words. But thank you guys so much for all your love and support.
Welcome to Gan family.
Exactly. Oh my family.
Okay, everybody, so please move. So please move. I want
Let's
to
see
get
other
more.
girls.
Okay, I know. So guys, let's move.
Ta-da! Welcome to Gan family.
Thank you so much. We are so happy, right?
We are super grateful for this opportunity. It was an incredible experience. And we are super grateful to be part of MGI family because this team is amazing. Ultimate Papa Nawad, Mami Teresa, thank you so much. You have an incredible team and it was an unforgettable experience.
Thank you so much, everyone, to support me. I'm really happy. I'm blessed to be here with these beautiful queens. And we did it, girls!
Hello! Oh my God, we are grand families! We are ready to work, right?
Yes. I know. We're proud.
I'm just so excited. Thank you so much. We will make you proud.
Emma,
Isaiah. Thank you, Spain. Ghana.
I'm still in shock. Oh my gosh. For now, I just want to thank all the people who supported me through this grand journey that I have. Philippines, we made history. I just want to say thank you to all the Filipino people. In your Bayanihan spirit, we made it. I told you, this is not just my fight. This is our fight. That's why this crown is for all of us. Maraming salamat po.
Thank you. Welcome to Gan family.
Thank you, Sin. Thank you so much. I'm part of this grand family!
All the girls. Wow.
National Diner of Venezuela. Venezuela. National Diner of Venezuela. Venezuela.
It was really amazing, and I just want to congratulate also all the 76 lovely ladies. Guys, you did amazing.
Okay, it's now photo. Look at the main camera.
Wow. It's a moment, you know. Every time. It's the relationship for all the girls in the competition. It's not just the competition. It's have a relationship for the fans.
National Diner Mexico. Okay, so who is on the stage? National Diner Team of Mexico.
Time to photos. Wow, all fans have mini fans.
Guatemala. Thank you. And National Diners, Colombia. Colombia. National Diner of Colombia. Thank you. And next, National Diner of Czech Republic. Czech Republic. Czech Republic.
I'll be back.
Okay,
They
sure.
mentioned my name.
Tanzania. Okay, Tanzania.
มันก็ไม่เมาเท่าไหร่แต่ว่าน่าจะมีช่วงหนึ่ง
Congratulations. Thank you, thank you. Top 10, Top 10 MTI 2025, Top 10. เดี๋ยวทีมงานนะครับมาร้องท็อป 10 มาหน่อยครับ ทีมงานมาร้องท็อป 10 มาหน่อยครับ ทีมงานข้างบนเวทีมาร้องท็อป 10 มาหน่อยครับ Top 10. I'd like to invite more photographers all the way here.
เอ็มม่า It's time
Top 10. Okay, Tanzania, come on. Okay, top 10, come on. ขอเชิญเลยครับ เดี๋ยวถ่ายรูปกันเลยก่อน ขอเชิญเลยครับผมฝากของไว้ให้พี่เขาก่อน Spain, Spain, Spain,
เอ็มม่า
Spain.
เอ็มม่า
Thank you so much. Still continue to support Miss Grand International. Oh, they call it.